there, future gardeners! Today we've got something extra special planned just for you. We're diving into the exciting world of gardening for kids. So grab your gloves and let's get our hands dirty. Gardening isn't just for grown-ups. It's a fantastic activity for kids too. Not only does it teach you about nature and where your food comes from, but it's also a whole lot of fun. All right, kiddos, who's ready to plant some seeds and watch them grow? Whether you have a big backyard or just a small balcony, there's always room to grow something special. From colorful flowers to yummy vegetables, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? Watching your plants grow from tiny seeds into beautiful flowers or delicious veggies. Look at these carrots, aren't they amazing? And guess what? You grew them all by yourselves. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's also about connecting with nature and appreciating the beauty all around us. So, if you're looking for a fun and educational activity to do with your kids, why not give gardening a try? Thanks for joining us today, and remember, keep digging, keep planting, and keep growing. Happy gardening, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!